When people zol, they put saliva on the paper. Morning everyone, hope you guys are doing well. My hair looks like a hot mess. I was contemplating like fixing it before I started this video, but I was like, you know what, you guys must see me just like how I am, you know. Today is crunch day for me. It's currently 4 minutes to 9. I woke up at like, I want to say 7:45 because the courier guy came to drop off something from Revlon. So Revlon actually sent me some hand sanitizer. Ooh, it's bright outside my room. So yeah, that's actually really nice of them to actually send instant hand sanitizer, 75% alcohol. So really cool. But I also have washing to do. Gotta wash my clothes and all of that good stuff. So yeah, gotta wash my clothes. I'm probably gonna put a load of washing and then hop into the shower and then make myself some coffee, because I actually slept at 1 o'clock, so I only had like less than 7 hours of sleep. I feel like I'm trying so hard to reset my sleeping patterns, you guys, where I can wake up like early in the morning and I go to bed before 10. I haven't been able to achieve it so far, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go separate my clothing and put a load of clothing to wash. Okay, so my niece told me that I should babysit her llama while she's doing schoolwork, so I'm doing that. First load of washing is in the washing machine. I'm also gonna go take a nice hot shower while I wait for that load to be done. And yeah, the washing should take me like an hour and a half max to like fully do and dry outside and stuff like that, because both the washing cycles are like half an hour each, so that's fine. And then I have a few things I want to do today, like film some content, edit. I mainly want to film content today. I haven't like sat down and filmed like a good decent makeup tutorial in a while, so I feel like I want to do that. But what else do I want to do? I feel like I had like an idea in my head yesterday, but I forgot to write it down. This is my problem. I have so many ideas in my head the day before, then I forget to write them down, then oof, I forget. But hopefully I'll remember when I'm in the shower. Okay, so I'm nice and showered, nice and moisturized, body and face. And now it's time to put the second load of washing in. I think it's time for the second load of washing. Public service announcement, you guys. Just because we're at home does not mean we don't have to shower. Okay, because I know most of us shower every single day, but some people are not. It doesn't matter whether you're like waiting till the afternoon to shower, like if you're showering at like nighttime or morning. It doesn't matter, just shower once a day. You know, just shower once a day, you guys. That's all it takes. Shower once a day. Don't stink up your poor family members, guys, please. You know, I get it, we're not going anywhere, we don't have to waste water, but you do still need to be clean. Okay, you do still need to be clean. So just thought I would make a public service announcement. I did it as a joke on my social media a couple of weeks ago, and then there's this page that I was following that's like where people confess random things about themselves. It's called Confessions ZA. Quite a spicy page if you ask me. But somebody said they hadn't showered till lockdown, and that time we were like 17 days in. So please guys, please shower. Let's all shower. Let's all look fresh and keep ourselves looking fresh.
Give me the ball. I want it here. I want the ball here. Thank you. Good girl.
Okay, so first load of washing is on the line. Second load is about probably 15 minutes in, or it'll be ready in 15 minutes rather. The English is just anybody else, but like my English is just so bad during lockdown. Like, it's a mission. Oh my god, I forgot I haven't been filling in my daily. Excuse me. Whew. Also, you guys, don't judge me. I don't dress my bed every day. I dressed it yesterday. I probably do it every second or third day, to be honest. I mean, whatevs. But yeah, I'm gonna sort out my bullet journal now and note on what I need to do for the day. Okay guys, so I just hung up the second and last load of washing, and I also made myself a cup of tea. I'm still feeling a little tired. I should have totally made myself some coffee. But coffee and me, sometimes we don't get along, you know, so that's the problem. The problem is sometimes we don't get along. We're not best friends. What is happening? Oh, Facebook notifications. Alrighty, okay then. So yeah, I am going to chill for a little bit, maybe the next 10 minutes. But I need to get into the swing of filming. I'm feeling so tired, you guys. Why did I wake up so early? Why did I sleep so late? That's the question I should ask myself. But like I said, I'm trying to reset my sleeping pattern, so I'm just gonna maybe watch a few YouTube videos, catch up on a few YouTube videos. Yes, I just smelled my hair. I washed it yesterday, and I love the smell of freshly washed hair. We love that for us. So yeah, I'm gonna chill for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get to filming the work I actually have to do today. Okay, you guys, it is took me a while to get into the swing of things. It's 11:48. I definitely need that coffee. Definitely need that coffee, so let's go make me some coffee. Okay, so I just finished filming IGTV. Don't worry about the situation. I'm gonna charge this battery and then okay, you guys, so I'm just taking off my makeup. While my battery was charging, I edited and uploaded a kind of like mask makeup tutorial, so like makeup to wear with your face masks. A lot of people were requesting that kind of video, surprisingly, so that's what I filmed. Now I am going to do my full face of makeup, and I am going to film a little eye makeup tutorial. And I also got a delivery today while I was away. I'll show you guys that now. And then I actually ordered a few nail stuff because I needed a new nail drill. It's actually called an electric nail file. So I ordered another one, and I needed monomer and a little bit of acrylic liquid, and I wanted to try out these other nail forms. So that is pretty much what I ordered. Yeah, my other nail drill or electric nail file broke about 6 months ago. This company is called Mads Nail and Beauty. So Mads Nail and Beauty on Instagram, and that's where I found them. So one of my friends, Kendra, actually told me about this company, and then I ordered from them. And I ordered last night, early hours of yesterday morning, which is like maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. maybe it was like 12, I feel like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, and I got my order today, which is crazy. So yeah, I'm actually feeling a little cold, so I'm gonna go make myself some tea. I'm gonna leave the clothes on the line for a little longer, because there's nice afternoon sun on the line right now. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing, do my makeup, film this finished, and then go and take the clothes off the line. So time for tea round 2. Okay everyone, so I just finished off this look, and I also just took my clothes off the line and all of that stuff, put the lights on, took pictures of this look, all of that good stuff. So I also just want to sort out my laundry while it's in the laundry basket. I don't want it to sit in the laundry basket for too long because then I'm going to get lazy, so I'm going to do it now while I have energy. So laundry is all put away. I'm gonna change out of this top because it's not warm at all. I'm gonna put something warm on, and then I think it would be supper time, so I'm gonna go spend some quality time with my niece and nephew for a little bit, you know, quality auntie time. Actually probably I'll come clean up my table later on. But yeah, my back is also low-key killing me. And my phone battery is on 5%, so I need to charge that before it dies. So yeah, this is like an official day in my life video vlog situation. I know there's one specific follower that keeps requesting these, Nicole. I don't want to butcher your surname, but her surname is Besta. Nicole Besta keeps requesting these. Shout out to you, girl. I know I haven't done like a Slay Squad member shout out in such a long time. Honestly, like I don't even know how the Ace family does it consistently, because it's difficult for me like to remember every time and to like keep looking out for people because I have so many videos. So yeah, I'll try my best when I remember to give you guys shout outs. But shout out to Nicole Besta for always requesting these day in the live vlogs. She loves them, and so I assume more of you guys would love them too. So let me know in the comment section if you're enjoying this video. So I basically did 3 out of the 4 things I set out on my bullet journal today, which is not bad at all. Really not bad at all. Also, this makeup turned out so good, you guys. Shop Betty online recently sent me the Honey palette from Colourpop, and it's just so stunning. I'm so mad at myself that I didn't like buy this palette myself earlier. Like it's so beautiful. Shoosh. So beautiful. I can't deal. It's so stunning. Anyway, I'm cold now, so let me just change out of this top because my whole chest was out, but I haven't used this top in a while. This is like my winter attire. It is quite warm, but it is quite cold too. It's not as warm as some other clothes. Anyway, let me go change and spend some quality time with my niece and nephew, and I guess I will see you guys a little later. Yeah, a little later. Okay everyone, so the time right now is about 20 to 9. Quite late if you ask me. Quite late. So I had supper with the family. We had my niece, nephew, and I had Cinnabon for dessert. And yeah, I did a little workout with one of my friends. She and I have been doing the Chloe Ting workouts, which is amazing, and it's not too long, so I definitely agree agree. I definitely recommend that if you guys want to do some workouts, definitely try the Chloe Ting workouts. I'm gonna lean back so you guys can see my face a little better. There we go, that's better. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I've just been replying to Instagram comments and stuff like that on my last post, and then yeah, I'm actually going to edit a YouTube video of my niece, nephew, and I making Cinnabons. It turned out so good, you guys, so good. Even though it took us like at least, we started at like 2 o'clock, we finished at like, took us a good few hours, like maybe, I was gonna say 5 hours, but then I really wanted to calculate, then I was like, that's like, that's not 5 hours, like 4 hours, but maybe 3, yeah, whatever. But it took a long time, so if you guys haven't watched that video, definitely check it out. It's definitely gonna go up before this one. And yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below, let me know if you like the day in the life vlogs. I hope you guys have. And yeah, that's pretty much a day in my life, doing laundry, getting work done, all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.